I'm Bart Rekucki, analyst at Gabelli Funds, and today I'm going to talk about a really interesting trend in the air conditioning industry, which is how hot it is outside. So it's that time of year when it's super hot outside. It'll be in the 90s this week in the New York area, and in fact, June was the hottest month on record, and last week was the hottest week on record in Earth's history. This week, we're seeing a heat wave across the south with temps hitting as high as 120 in certain areas of the southwest. That means it's a time for a refresher on the air conditioning industry and some of the stocks involved. The residential air conditioning industry in the US is about a $45 billion market, including both equipment and services. The market has grown at about a 7% CAGR since 2009, and HVAC is a strong GDP plus market within the industrial sector. The main industry drivers are increasing adoption of air conditioning and a faster replacement cycle. 95% of new homes built in the US have air conditioning, compared to 60 to 70% of existing homes. Moreover, most of the new construction is in the South, which obviously uses more air conditioning than other regions. Finally, regions that typically didn't have air conditioning, such as the Pacific Northwest and certain parts of the Great Lakes, are now adopting air conditioning at increasing rates given the higher temperatures. The faster replacement cycle is also driving the industry. 10 years ago, the average life of an AC unit would be 15 to 18 years. Now, because of higher temperatures and higher usage, and a few other factors, that life is 12 to 15 years. This means that the HVAC manufacturers sell more units. The biggest stress on an AC unit comes from times of extreme temperatures, such as what we're seeing this week. The recommendation for your unit is that you don't run your AC more than 20 degrees below the temperature outside. Obviously, that's a problem when it's 100 degrees out. So if you want to take the temperature further down, it increases the stress on the unit. This also increases the demand for spare parts as units break over the summer. We believe there are a number of players in the industry who should benefit. Our top pick in the air conditioning industry is Johnson Controls, ticker JCI. It has 690 million shares trading at $69 for about a $48 billion market cap, with $9 billion of net debt for a $58 billion total enterprise value. JCI is the leader in energy-efficient air conditioning, has a great digital strategy, and a number of self-help measures to improve market share and margins. And moreover, it's the cheapest stock in the HVAC group at 13 times forward EV to EBITDA and 18 times PE. We believe two other companies will benefit as well, both of which we like. Carrier is the largest manufacturer of residential AC in the US and should see substantial benefits from the trends we've discussed. And Watsco is the largest distributor of air conditioning in the US and should benefit as well. Their revenues trend upwards with the industry volumes, and they do especially well on sales of spare parts.